My name is Chris. I'm a hobby photographer in Colorado. I recently purchased the 500mm prime lens from Fujifilm and I absolutely love it. I have it with my X-T4. I was shooting with the 100 to 400mm for about 3 years and decided to pull the trigger and get the 500mm prime, and I have no regrets. I think it's a little bit sharper and it's just been a fantastic lens. I primarily shoot birds. I've taken this out to shoot raptors in Colorado. We did a trip to Arizona and did a bunch of bird photography down there. And I put together a collection of photos, and I hope you enjoy. Thanks.